how to see who's logged into your Instagram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can see who is logged into your Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to find out who's basically logged into your Instagram account, all you have to do is first of all just go ahead and search for Instagram, and then go ahead and then basically make sure to open it up. Once you launch the Instagram app, you will see this type of interface where you have to just tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen, and then you will land on this page where again what you need to do is just tap the three lines option there and then just go to settings. Once you go to settings over here, just go to this tab known as account center. Once you go to account center tab, you'll see these options where you can see all this logging in with accounts and so on. Now in case you don't find it over here, what you can also do is just go to security, and then you'll be able to say login activity, and when you go to login activity, you'll be able to see a list of all the devices and the location where your Instagram account is basically logged in. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically figure out a way to go ahead and then basically check login devices on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.